two different types of internal interruptions, and one is perspective. I have used the term interruptions throughout this, and the term interruption has a very negative connotation because nobody's excited when they hear the word interruption. But if we call every kind of request, every kind of question that comes in an interruption, then we also tend to respond or react negatively. But what I want you to think about is, if it is your job to answer questions, is it truly an interruption? Or if it is somebody who is not your favorite person in the world and they are asking you the question or they are stopping by, do you feel that negative response coming up and you react differently when it is your best bud from work asking you the question or making a request of you? What I have found is when I have my clients list all of the people at work who they consider time leaks, who do stop by or message questions, who do stop by or message requests, when they make that list of people and I have them estimate how much time they lose to each of those individuals throughout the week, what they often discover is that some of the people they like the most are the ones who take up the most of their time. We like them so much that we don't say no, or we don't reschedule, or we don't ask them to come back later. So something that I'd like you to start paying attention to is, who are these time leaks and what is my perspective? What is my opinion? What is my feeling toward that person? Because when it's negative, when we do feel like it's a negative part of the day, then we tend to get really flustered and our productivity drops. However, if we tell ourselves in a more positive light, this is a part of my job, I'm supposed to be asking these questions, then it becomes a lot more manageable for your brain to handle it, and that will help with productivity.